Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this short video, I just want to show you some top converting landing pages for pop-up traffic. So if you are running sweepstakes offer like free iPhone, free mobile phone, or gift card, then this video is for you. Now, all the templates that I'm about to share with you, it is a mobile optimized landing page for pop-ups. So if you are looking for a desktop optimized page, then this video is not for you. Right in front of you, you can see that I have a total of six tabs, so six templates for me to share with you. Some of them it will be for spin wheel type, some of them will be quiz lander type. So what you can see right in front of you right now, it is a spin wheel type offer that looks a bit like Facebook. Okay, so upon the visitor comes to this page, what they can have over here, it is a pop-up saying that congratulations visitor. So they click OK, and then over here it says that they win one spin, and then when they click OK, it will spin the wheel. Okay, so once it spins the wheel, it says that they have already won the phone, and when they click OK, it will redirect to this page for them to claim um, the phone. So over here it says that claim your iPhone. So once they click on claim your iPhone, it will actually redirect them to your offer page, or what you call it, the money page, where you want them to include all the information like their name and so on and so forth. Over here you can see that offer valid for the next X seconds. So basically, what this does, you can actually include a redirect link. If they don't click on it, what this does, it will actually redirect them directly to the offer. Okay, so as you can see right here, all just look a bit like Facebook, right? So let's move on to the second page. So the second page, upon the visitor comes to this landing page, it will have the same thing like the first page. The previous template, where it has this pop up. So when they click on OK, it would directly spin the wheel. Okay. So for this one, if I'm not mistaken, it says that they have one more try or something. Yeah, over here, yes. Do note that everything for every visitor that comes to this landing page, it is always the same, okay? Because all these are pre-made. So over here, it has a pop-up, and then it says that you have an extra try. So you click again, and then if I'm not mistaken, this one will actually bring you directly to the second page of this landing page. Okay, so over here it shows that you have win, and then it will move on to the second page saying that you have won the iPhone. Okay, so over here it has two options for them to choose the color, but it really doesn't matter because at the end of the day, these two buttons will actually go to your offer page or your money page, where they need to include some details for them to win the sweepstakes. Okay, so over here pretty much almost the same like Facebook, as you can see, right? Mobile optimized. Okay, so let's move on to the third one. So the third one, over here I have a gift code, what do you call this, example. So upon them coming into this page, they have this pop-up again, but this time this pop-up, it is not a browser pop-up, but this is a web page pop-up. Okay, so over here the web page pop-up says that you are a lucky winner. When you click on OK, it would automatically spin the wheel. Please do note that, as you can see, the theme that looks a bit like social media, right? So basically, if you want someone to actually do this kind of pages for you, make sure that you show them these um what do you call this, these templates, so that they know how to do these pages for you. Okay, so over here it says that you receive an extra spin. Click OK again, it would spin again. If I'm not mistaken, this time they will actually give you the gift card. Okay, there you go. It says that you have got the gift card. Click on OK. And then once they click on OK, they will be redirected to the offer page or the money page for them to include some other information to win the sweepstakes. Okay, moving on to the fourth landing page is this. Okay, so upon landing, this is a browser pop-up. Okay, so the browser pop-up comes up, and then they click on OK. Basically, a quiz lander will come up. Yeah, please do note that all these pictures can be changed. And then the first thing you'll notice that this template looks a bit like the iPhone feel kind of template. So over here you can just go through this, blah blah blah, and then it would actually slowly give a loading where they just so-called check all this information, and once it is okay, it will come to this page. So once this page is here, they need to do is just click on click here, and then it will be redirected to the offer page and the money page. Okay, so all this can be done. It is a very lightweight website, so anything you can just ask your website designer to do this. I think you can get this page done for like $10 a piece, no problem. $5 to $10 a piece, no problem on Fiverr. Okay, moving on to the next page. So the next page, basically almost the same browser pop-up, clicks on OK, and then a Quizlander comes out, and then just click on all this. So once this is done, it will have a loading thing saying that it checks your answer. But this is a bit different than the previous one, because this one will actually automatically redirect them to the offer page. So over here it says that once this load and comes to this forwarding to the price page, over here it will actually redirect them to the offer or money page for them to fill up the information. Okay, so this is a bit different. This one, you need to come to this page and for them to click here. For this one, once they come to this page, it finish up all this loading stuff, it would actually redirect them to the offer page. Why this is not redirecting them is because I did not include anything in the link for them to redirect. Okay, last but not least, this is in Arabic, sorry to say, but it is a very good example for me to show you, because this is another approach to do these quiz pages that you don't want them to look and feel like Apple or Facebook or whatever it is, right? So over here it's pretty simple. All they click is okay, and then blah blah blah. You can see very simple, very direct, very clean looking quiz page. So whatever it is, they just click, right? Whatever it is, they just click on it. Okay. Okay. So once they have go through all the questions, you have this loading bar, and then this thing will pop up. Okay. So once this thing pop up, usually they say that usually it have like different colors. But this case you have different types of mobile devices, and then it says that all this, it says that it has sold out, so they only can pick one. So once they click on this, they will go to the offer page, and then on the offer page, like I said, put in all the information, and then hopefully win the sweepstakes, and you get the money. I mean, you get the lead generation. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Just really quickly go through, right? Okay, all these are the videos. I mean, all these are the templates. So hopefully you like this video. Please let me know if this has helped you out. If you want to know more about this, please do comment in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching. If you have found this video useful, give me a like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Cheers and take care.